that will be the x. And how about the y? The y will be the distance from this location to the back, right? So that is 40 plus 40. Okay, the diameter,
80.
80. Okay, so that's 80. And then what's the z, or what's the z?
100. 100.
100. Let's check together. Okay, 50 plus 50. Exactly, that's 100. Good. So now we have the x, y, and z. I'll just enlarge the height of the font here. Let's make it 10. See, oh, that's too big. Make it 6. Okay, maybe that's okay. Oh, it's actually not that big. 8. Let's see, 8.
Doctor,
Yeah, sorry.
did
Yeah.
you start record?
I think so. Yeah, I think I started it. Okay, so I'll just put it. Since we are going to have left side views, I will put it here. If you imagine, if you're going to make the left side view, that means here will be the top view location, right? This is the front view here, left side view there, and the top side view here. So that's why I put this information there, so that it does not interfere with the top view.
Do we have to write it?
This one? No, it's not. Just for you. I
Clear.
made that. Yeah, just for you. Okay. So now, okay. If you remember last week, I did not make the A and B, right? I did not make the A and B here. I told you, because AutoCAD is flexible, I just randomly put it there. I draw the boxes, I draw the rectangles for the 3 views directly, and then I move according to the position that I have, or I make it center later on using the move command, right? So now let us now do the other way. Let's make it exactly. Okay, I just want to show you to make it exactly according to the A and the B. Anybody know? Anybody knows how to calculate the end of A and the B? Since, okay, let's do that together. Since you have something, you will have something like this, right?
So B equal, can I give you the relationship that give us the B?
Just a moment. Let me make this first before you inform me. Okay. So you, oh, okay, no, I did mistake. I'll just Control Z. Just a moment there. There. Okay. This is a random drawing. It's not exactly the correct, not the correct, what you call that? Not the correct size. Okay, so this is the A. This space, the empty space here, and here is called the A, and the empty space this, and that one is the B, right?
B. Yes.
Okay. So you can go ahead inform me. What's the A?
A equal 400 minus
A equal 400 minus
x minus y.
x minus y. Oh, you mean, okay, x plus y. If I put the brackets, so it should be x plus y, right? If I put the brackets, so it should be s plus y
Over 3.
over 3. So over 3 will be the whole thing. All of these will be over 3. Okay, there. How about the B?
240.
Okay, 240
minus z plus y.
z, okay, z plus y,
over 3.
another brackets over 3. Okay, so you've got this as the equation to get the, there. Okay. So let's make sense of this equation. So the A is this empty space, right? So where does this come from? It comes from the size of this paper. So if you measure, let's say I measure from here, you see, from this corner to that corner is 400. Can you see that it's 400?
Yes, we can.
Right, the horizontal yellow line, if you look at it, it's 400. Okay, so 400, your target is to find the size of the empty space. Okay, so it's 400. Then you need to do minus with this one, with the length of this line and that line, right? So this line from here to here is the x, and from here to here is the y. So that's why you add them together, x plus y. So 400 minus the combination of this line and that line. And the final result, you divide it by 3. Why? Because you have 3 empty spaces. 1, 2, 3. The same thing with the B. If you measure this distance, if you see it's 140. So actually here is 141. Okay, 41. So it's not a problem, only 1 milli difference. It's just the function of A and B is just to make the location of your drawing takriban, approximately at the center. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, doctor, it is very
Okay,
clear.
good. So let's find what is the A and B. So that will be, if you calculate, this thing is, okay, I will turn off this thing, the text formatting, what you call this, text formatting tab or something. If you want to turn that off, do right click, edit, editor, settings, show toolbar. Yeah, you call that toolbar. I will just turn off the toolbar, because you can work from here if you want. Okay. So let's calculate the 400. I'm using calculator here. So x plus y, what is the x? 160 plus y is 80. 160 plus 80 minus 400, or 400 minus this, divided by 3. So we got 53,3333 and so on. Let's just put 53,3. Okay. And this one, this will be 240 minus, inside of brackets, 100 plus 80. 100 plus 80. Z plus y, 100 plus 80, okay. Divided by 3. So it will be 20. There. Okay. I will delete this. Okay, let's do the work. I will use the UCS. I will move the UCS here. Okay. UCS Sorry, I think I did a mistake. UCS. I will move it here because I'm going to make the first box the front view here. Just make it there. UCS is moved there. I'm happy with the position. Press enter. So I will use the rectangle command. What is the front view? It will be the X and Z, right? The front view will be the X and Z. But before that, you need to put the first corner. You need to type the location of the first corner. So what is the location of the first corner? It will be somewhere here, right? Anybody can help me? What is the coordinates? We know already the A and the B. So you must know where the first
Minus.
location. Exactly. Good.
Minus
Yeah.
53.3
Exactly.
and 20.
Comma 20. Comma and
Yeah.
20. Yes. So that is your first location. And I mean first corner. Yeah, the location of the first corner, and the second corner will be somewhere there, right? So now it's related to the X and Z of this value. Okay, the X and Z of this object, not the X and Z or X and Y of the AutoCAD coordinate system. So it's different. So that means you will go minus 160, comma 100, right? Do you understand that?
Yes, doctor, we can. Yeah.
So you
it's,
need to use symbol at, because this value is relative to the first point, right? So
Yeah.
minus 160 because it's going to the left, comma the Z is 100 because it's upward, so it's positive. There. Okay.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah.
For the UCS icon, how did you put it there?
Use the UCS command. UCS. Type UCS
I typed it.
and then enter.
Uh-huh.
And then turn on, of course, you need to turn on the object snap so you can catch this corner. Okay, the end
Okay.
point here. Then click. Just click. And finally enter.
Click origin or selectable or no origin.
Just which one? Okay, just no. Let's repeat that. UCS, enter.
Yeah.
Specify, if you read here, specify origin of UCS, right? So
Okay.
specify origin, so you just click there. And then specify point on x-axis. You don't need that because you are happy with this. So directly accept by pressing enter.
Thank you.
Is that simple? Okay.
Doctor, I can do it in another way.
Which one?
By click at the corner and go and put a line and go 53.3 to the
Yeah, sure. You can do that.
left,
Then you delete the line, right?
yeah.
Yeah, this is the technique that I've showed you at the beginning,
Before,
long
yeah.
time ago. Yeah. So it's up to you which technique you want to use. Okay, it's up to you.
Okay.
That's why I gave you many options so that you know many ways.
Doctor,
Yeah.
A is 5.0, right?
The A. The A we put it 53.3 here.
And approximately it will be how much?
What the B?
No, A.
The A is this one. Can you see in my screen?
We
53.3.
will deal with it as 53.3 or we will approximate it.
Just make it exactly. If you want to make it exactly or very close to the center, just make it 53.3. Make it accurate. It doesn't matter. Okay? Because this is AutoCAD. This is not hand drawing. And again, I would like to stress you that A and B is A and B is not something rigid. You know, rigid means fix. What do you say that? Something that will really decrease your mark if you don't make your drawing really at the center.
Doctor,
Okay?
excuse me, doctor.
Yes.
I'm really stuck on this bottom left corner, the axle. I don't know how to move it to Azure like you.
So where is it located now?
Bottom left,
Yeah, this is
and
because
it's like flipped.
okay. So if you want to refresh, you just type UCS,
Yes.
and then if you see here, it's world already. Now it's okay. Forget about what I said. If you want to return
Yeah.
back to the original one from the AutoCAD, you just press enter. After you type UCS, press enter.
Yes.
Okay, now you will see your coordinate system is here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's because you did not turn on yet the origin position. So you go to UCS icon. UCS icon.
You see.
You will see
Yeah.
this option. Just click that
Yes.
and then press this origin.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, now it will show exactly the location of the 0,0.
Yes.
So previously, just a moment, previously, if you don't turn that on, it will show the direction of the X and Y, but it's not showing the location of the 0,0.
0. Yeah. I
Okay.
just leave it there. Or?
Yeah, you make a UCS
Yeah.
command
Yeah.
again and then
Command.
put it here, put it on this location. If you don't feel comfortable using UCS, you can use the one that was used by your friend using the helping line.
No. I got it, teacher.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Teacher, are you drawing the top view or the front view?
This one is the front view, of course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the X and the Z, the X and the Z. Okay. So if you want to make sure, you use again the measure tool here on the top in the on the ribbon. Measure, and you go there. So you see the X is 160, and okay, the horizontal is 160 and the vertical is 100. That means we are we are correct. We can continue. I'll make the region for the left side view. A rectangle command as usual. And again, I'm using the extension command. Extension object snap. Make sure the extension object snap is on. This object snap is to help you to make something on the extension of a certain line. For example, I want to make a point or start a line on the extension of this line, so you will use this, like what we are going to do now. Okay, I will use again rectangle command. I will start I will go to this line first, to the end of this line. Okay, and then I will type the distance that I'm going to make here. It should be, the A will be 53.3, right? 53.3.
Yes, teacher.
That's right.
Okay. So there you have it. Now the second location will be the y and the z. Y is 80, the z is 100, but you have to make it minus y. Okay, use symbol at symbol, minus the y is 80, minus 80, comma 100. There. Okay. See, 80, 100. So use rectangle command again. And here we go up. This should be 20. 20. And then this has to be at, as usual, at, and again this will be minus 160, comma what, comma 100 or 80?
I think 80.
80, exactly, because this is the y.
Yeah.
The vertical line is the y of the object. There. Okay. So now you have a nice views or regions to draw your view, and the distance is a and a exactly, and this is b and b. Of course this one will not be exactly 20, right? This will be maybe 21. If you remember, this will be 21 because the distance that you have here is not 240 but it's 241. Again, this is not an issue, this is not a problem. The important thing, what is the important thing? You have the correct size, the correct sizes of your boxes. Okay, you need to remember that you must have the correct size of the box. That is the most important thing. Okay, so let's start making the front. Yes.
Left bottom box. Can you
Okay.
give the X and Y or Y and Z?
Yeah, the size is that. It's 160 and 100. Can you see that?
No, left.
This one. It's 80 and 100. So the horizontal is the Y of the object, and the vertical line is the Z of the object. Okay, clear? Okay. So let's make the object. We'll make the base. Okay, let's make the base. So if you see, the base is 30. So what I will do, I will offset from here, from the bottom of the base to the top of the base, which is 30. However, if you see, as usual, when you make a rectangle using rectangle command, they are connected. So you have to use the explode command to make them, to separate them. So use explode, select all of the rectangles, then press enter. So now they are, they have been separated. So let's do the offset. Offset distance is 30, enter. From here, this is the object that you want to offset, and the location is above that original line. Okay. So we obtain this line already. And what's next? Let us make the let us make this tunnel. There is a small object here. It's the tunnel here. Okay. See, so it is 50 from the right. It's 50 from the right. So you can use line command. You can use line command. So you go to this corner because this point, okay, this point is here. And you go to the left. Make sure that you turn on the extension. Okay. So the extension object snap is on. Extension is on. So you go to the, don't go there, you go to the left. Okay, so you want to go 50 to the left, right? 50. Let me try something. So here, if you put minus 50. So it's possible if you go to the right and then you put minus, then it will flip to the other direction. Okay, for example, like I do here, I go there, then I type minus 50. Sorry. Then I enter, it goes there. Okay. Then you go upward. Now my line is able to go to any direction. To make it fixed, only vertical and horizontal as usual, turn on this ortho mode. So when you're using ortho mode, it will only go up, vertical or horizontal. So you go to the direction you want to create your line to. Okay, so it's 10 upward, and to the left is 20. Then downward, you just use the object snap until it cuts there, until it is perpendicular to the application. There. Okay, so see, it's 50 from there, and the size here is 20 and 10. Can you see that? Is everything clear until here?
Oh, yes, it is clear.
Okay, good. So if you want, you can trim this thing now, the line on the bottom there. Of course, if you want, you can use offset several times and then you trim things. Can you imagine what I'm saying?
Doctor,
Yeah.
can you repeat how you did the tunnel?
Okay. So I will just show you another way so that your other friends can see it. I've showed you before. I've showed you before to make the tunnel using the line command and the extension object snap. So if you want, you can also use the offset. Okay, I will use offset. So the offset, I will make offset from this line 50 to the left. 50 to the left. So the offset distance is 50. I'll make it like that, 50. Okay. Then I'm done. Escape. Then I know the distance of this is 20, right? It's 20. So again, you make an offset 20. From this object, I want to go to the left 20. So you click on the left of that line, press enter. The last thing, you know the height of this tunnel is 10. So you make offset 10 from here up. Okay. Once you're done, press escape. So this is your tunnel. Let us clean up by using trim. So I trim this, trim that, in this. There. Okay. Also this one, sorry. I forgot to trim this. There. Okay. So which technique you think it's better? The offset technique or the using the line and extension object snap? Which one do you like? Which one do you prefer, in your opinion?
I think offset is better.
First method is easier.
The offset is easier. So you
No,
think
the first
one? Yeah.
yeah, it's
Okay.
easier for
So yeah, it depends on the person. Maybe some students, they don't really like to find what the coordinate is. I mean the x and y. They prefer, okay, what's the x? They do the x, and what's the y? They do the y. Then they trim. Okay, maybe some others doesn't really like to do trim. Okay, I will just make directly x y x y. So it's really depend on you. Okay, I'm just giving you guidance, many options. It's your decision in the end. Is that clear? Okay. So let us make this, what you call this, inclined region. Uh, where is it? Where is this located? Where is this edge located?
with the tunnel.
Maybe, but you don't. There's no information.
middle.
Middle could be. Okay, so if there's no information relating the tunnel to this thing, so don't make a guess. That's dangerous. You must be
It's 50
sure.
from the right.
Exactly.
50 from the right.
Exactly.
I think
From the right. I don't know, but I know from the left. If you see, this is 60. 60 from this line, which is the center of what's this? The diameter of the half circle, right? So this is 60 plus what's from here to this edge? 40, exactly. So what's the
10.
distance? 100. Yeah, it's not 10. Yeah, it's 10 centimeter, but we are talking about milli here. Okay, so it's 100. So 60 plus 40. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so please
So it will
don't.
be 60.
60 plus 40. If I'm going to make it from here, because I'm going to make it from here. So it will be 40 plus 60. So it's 100. Okay. So I'll make offset 100. Okay. From here to there. Yeah, it seems at the center, but initially you don't know. At the beginning you don't know. Don't make a guess in a technical drawing. You need to make sure it's informed explicitly in the drawing. Okay. Like this one is explicitly said 60, and this one is also explicitly said it's 40. So 40 plus 60, it's 100. Okay, so you know this point already, and then you need this point. You need this point. Okay, so you can do offset 15 from here to there, because it is 15 there. It's given. Then you need to connect from this location to there. Okay, and of course you can delete these two lines, because these two lines is just to help you to find this point and that point. Okay, So what's the next step? Let's make okay, let's make this surface. If you look at from here, from the front view, you will see this surface as a line, which is this line, right? It's this line. So I'm going to make a line. 50 from the bottom goes there. 50 from the bottom goes there. Okay, so what I will do, I will use a line command. Of course, you can do the same. You can use offset. If you want, you can use offset 50 from here. You go there, and then you trim. You trim. It's also possible. Or you can use the line command. Okay, line command. Okay, you can use line and then go here, and then type what was that minus 50, so it goes up there, and then you just click there. Okay, it's up to you. Of course, you will not see anything here on the surface. See, it's empty here, no edges. So this thing doesn't exist. You need to trim that. Okay. Is everybody following? Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Just 1 minute. We are drawing.
Oh, you are drawing it? Okay, good. Can I wait a couple of minutes? You can go ahead, draw. Okay. The next thing that we'll make this wall. Okay, we'll make this wall. Okay, I'll continue. To make this wall, again, you need to find where is it located. It's clear it's located from this edge to this surface is 40, right? This radius. So what you can do, you can make an offset 40 from here to there. Then you can trim these two lines because you don't need those. Okay. Then you can use a fillet command, or you can make a circle. Okay. You can use fillet command, or you can make a circle.
Doctor, what did you do?
Yeah. Yes.
What do you do? I don't see anything.
Ah, you don't see it's hang?
No. I mean, I don't see any chains.
Oh yeah. you said you don't see anything, so I thought the network is down. Yeah, it's this line. I make this line. Okay, I'll do Control Z. It was like this before.
Okay, why did you make the line?
Why do I make the line? I'm going to make this surface.
Okay.
This
Which
surface
is offset.
yeah, it's 40 from here because the
40,
radius is
okay.
40, right? So offset 40 from here, which what's the object? This is the object. I would like to offset to the right there. and then you trim. You trim. Okay, you don't need this, I guess. Okay. And then let's make this corner. Okay. Its radius is 35. So you can use fillet command. You can use fillet command. You can use fillet, or you can make a circle. It's up to you. Okay, when you make a circle, because you know it's tangent to these two lines, so you can use 10 radius. Okay, if I use that circle command and I click the 10 radius, or you type the TTR 10 radius, so I will specify this as the first object to tangent, and this is the second object to tangent, and the radius is 35. There, then you got the circle. Okay, so you can use that, and then of course you need to trim the lines that you don't need. You can trim, you need to trim this and that, and also these two, of course. Anybody still remember how to use fillet command, this command?
Yes, I think we do remember, but how the circle you made, where's the first point? It says specify the first point.
Or for the circle, the TTR command.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did the TTR command. Now I should specify the first circle and the first point.
Yeah, so the first point, it's simply anywhere on this line, close to this region. It's no fixed. There is no fixed location. AutoCAD will decide depending on the radius. Okay.
Okay.
So you just click anywhere here, takriban. Here, and then the radius is 35. There. Okay.
Yeah, I did it. Thank you.
You're welcome. And you can trim here, trim that, trim these. There. Another option, it's using the fillet command. Okay, you can look at it. You can look it up in the previous videos or in the internet, how to use that. Okay, next, let's make the big circle here, the full circle. And you catch this, the same center as the previous circle. And the radius, what is the radius? This is the
22 and a
5.
half.
Yeah, 22 and a half. Okay, if just in case the number is bad and you don't have calculator and you are lazy to calculate using your hand, you can just click this. Okay, it says at the beginning, specify radius of circle or diameter. So you just click diameter if you don't want to calculate the diameter or the radius. So now it's asking you the diameter instead. Okay, so just type 45.
How did you choose the middle?
Sorry, why do I choose what?
I mean, how did you knew where is the center?
Using object snap as usual. Okay, object snap. You need to turn on this object snap and make sure that this object snap is on the center. This is to catch a center of something, of a circle. Okay, let me repeat that. When I click circle command, so the object snap will automatically activate. Of course, you need to turn this on first. Okay. So you go somewhere near here. So the green light will appear there, and you see center. It's written there. So when you see the green light, you can click Do you understand? Did you got it? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. So it is the radius. Oh, okay, it's already there in the memory. I just press enter. There. 22.5 is the radius. Okay, what's missing?
The hidden line for
Yeah, right. The hidden lines of this
the
circle
circle.
and also this thing. Okay? Of the circle and this thing. Okay, let's do this first, the circle. It's written here, it's 16 from this wall. 16 from this wall. Okay. So I'll make an offset, or I'll use a line that both are possible. Now I will use line. Okay, I will go here. And I know it's 16, so from here, okay, I should go, if I go to the right, but I want to go to the left, so that means minus 16, the opposite of the current direction, sorry. Minus 16. There. Then if there is no information regarding the depth, how far it goes, that means it goes until the end, okay? So if there's no information, this hole, the diameter is this, but no information regarding how deep it is, that means it's all through. It goes till the end. So I will just go down to the very bottom and press enter or escape. So this is the center of the cylinder. Of course, you can use offset as before. Offset 16 of this thing, and then you trim, and then you trim this region, the top line. Okay. I'll just undo. Now you know the center of this circle or of this cylindrical hole, and you know the diameter is 15, right? So that means you can offset the center to the right 7.5 and to the left 7.5. I can do that. Offset 7.5. Okay. Goes there 7.5 and there 7.5. So now you are sure the distance is 15. See, 7.5, 7.5. Okay. As usual, center line, it has to be 5 milli outside the cylindrical hole or the cylinder, any cylinder actually. There, and you can change this to a center line type there. Yeah, and this one should be hidden line. This should be.
What's the distance between each line?
The distance, you can look at it here. This line is the
So
edge, so it has to be what? Nus kutter. The radius to the right and radius to the left.
uh-huh. Okay, thank you.
Okay. And next, everybody reach here.
Yes, Dixon.
Okay. So we can make this one, but it will not be complete. I will let you know later why. So I can prepare things, but it will not be complete. Let us prepare the line. Okay. So this will be hidden. This will also be hidden. Let's make what's this surface? What's the distance from the bottom? It's 20, right?
20.
20, exactly.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, and this is 20, and from here to there is, or of course, 40. Okay. So I will just use line in this case. I will go from here, minus 20 goes up, and I will go to the right, 40, right? I'm using now the ortho mode is on there. So 40 there, and I just connect there. Okay. However, this is not
It's
100.
hidden.
It's hidden, exactly. So you can change this to hidden. Actually, not all of them hidden, but for now I will make it hidden. Okay, I'll just make it hidden too. Hidden. Which one? Okay, just hidden too. I will show you why this is not complete yet. There's some visible line that you will see here, actually, a little part, because if you imagine, it's cut here. It's cut, so you will see some step there.
Yeah.
Okay, but you don't know where it is now. You don't know yet. You need to use projection from the top downward.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the time being, I'll keep this. This is not done, but I'll make it anyway, and we will see what's the missing thing. Okay, before we move to the top view, let's make the what you call
Center
this,
line.
the center line. Okay, I'll make the center line. I'm using still using the line command here. I have not taught you how to use the center mark command. Maybe in another video I will send it to you. This, you extend 5 milli, 5 milli here. Oops, sorry. 5 milli up and 5 milli down. Then you can change these lines to a center. Yeah. Okay. So that's good, almost complete. Let's move to the top view. Okay. From the top view, you will see this distance is what will you see here in the top view? If you see it from the top, you will see there is a like a surface here. So it's like a rectangle, and L shape like that, and you have a big L shape here, and you have a rectangle there. Okay, let's start by making this surface. Okay, let's start by making that surface. So you can use offset if you want. I'll use offset for now. So this distance, the thickness of this wall is 15. Yeah, it's not written here, it's 15, but let us assume it's the same, 15. If you find something like this in the exam, you can ask the doctor what's the distance here. Okay. Okay, it should be 15. Same.
But first I have to make explode, I think.
We did already. I chose everything at the beginning.
Okay.
Yeah. Of course, if you did not do that yet, you are good. You need to do explode. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm using offset like that, and then what else? You need to make offset from here also. Offset from the left 40, like that, and then you trim like that. right? And then also let's make this thing. So you need to make offset again 15 from here to there, and it's only 50 from here to there, right? So I will escape the first offset. I will make another offset 50 from here to there. Then you will use trim. There. Okay. So now you have this thing. If you want to double check, just go like that. So you'll see, okay, it's 50 and 15, that's correct. And this is 120 and 15. Yeah, it should be 120. Yeah, because the total is 160. There. Okay.
Now we make 30.
Which 30 you think? Oh, this one? This
Yeah.
surface? Okay. Yeah, okay, we can do that. We can make this line. It should go, it is 30 here. Yeah, this already, the backy here should be 30. The remaining here should be 30. If you check,
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
it's 30. Yeah, so we don't make it anymore because it's already al-baqi. But the important thing is this distance. Okay? Actually, it's not given. You don't know where this is. How can we
We
know?
have to start from the left.
Exact, from the bottom. I mean, from here. You can make. Oh, you mean from the left here?
Yeah. Or
Or
from the bottom.
even from the left is not given. It's
Yeah.
not an information. So this you must use projection. You must use projection. Okay. For sure, I know there is a line from here to there, but I don't know where will this line stop. Yeah, I know there is a line from here to here, somewhere. I don't know where will it stop because no information about the distance from this point to that point, right? So you will use the projection from this point. Then you go up perpendicular to that and click. Press escape when you're done. And then you trim. There. So now you have this surface, which is that thing. Okay, this distance is 30, and that one you don't know. Let's see what's the distance of that. See, it's 47.1429. So you don't know the. You need that. You must use projection. Okay. There are some geometry you must use projection. What's next? Let's make this edge. Okay. This you can use offset because you know this edge is 100 from the left, right? 100 from here. 40 plus 60. 40 plus 60. Of course, you can make also projection from down there. It should be the same. Okay, so I'm going to use projection from here until that wall, until this wall here, and then you trim. You don't need this, that, that. So this surface, if you look at it from the top, it will be like an L, right? L shape, which is that one, this thing. There. And this L shape is that one. Can you imagine that? Is it clear?
Yeah, very clear.
Yes, Peter, it's very clear.
Okay, great. What's next? Next, let's make this this thing. I'm going to do first all the visible things, okay? So you will have this like what's a V shape or trapezoidal shape, something. So, uh, so you will need this line, right? So let's do that. I will. Okay, let's make a circle. So let's make this circle first. So you know what's the center of the circle. Okay, the center is sorry, the center will be 40, comma 40, right? So the center will be 40, comma 40 from, of course, from this point. So what you can do to find the center, you can use the helping line, like your friend did. Okay, or you can make an offset from here. Like offset, usually many students like to use the offset. Offset from here, 40, here, 40, there. So the intersection between these two lines, that is the center of the circle. There. Of course, you can use the helping line. Make line 40, comma 40 to reach this point. And then you make a circle. Both are acceptable. And then if you feel this is too crowded, then you can trim. You can trim the lines that you don't need. You don't need these all. That thing. This one, I will just delete the whole thing because I will use delete command, not trim. Delete. And what else? I'll keep this for the center line as usual. And I'll trim this. There. Oops. There. Okay. And you will have a region here. You'll have a region that will be this thing, this edge. So it's 20. So I will offset the center line 10 to the top, okay, or 10 to this side and 10 to this side. So this is the center. Just offset. The distance is 10 from from here, 10. So now I know that the distance from here to here is 20. Okay, if you want to make sure, so it's 10 and 10. Okay. So again, this is only helping line to find this point. And you need another two locations, 2 points here, right? How to obtain this? Anybody know? Anybody know how to obtain this? Does anybody know how to obtain these 2 points here? So that you can connect this and that. So
I will
now,
start from the center of the circle,
exactly.
then go 10 to up and 10 to the down,
Okay.
and make a line until we touch the circle, the out of the circle.
Make a line until now okay, we did already 10 and 10. So now you know this point, these 2 points, which is this one, this and that, right?
Yeah.
This and that, we obtain those 2 points. But now you need these 2 points. Yeah, could you repeat?
22.2.
Exactly. Good. So you need to make offset 20 because it's 40. If you see, it's 40. So from the center, you will go offset 20 and offset. Oh, okay, I did mistake. It should be from the center, from this moment. Offset. Which one is there? This is center. So there. Okay. So now you have this point and that point. So finally you can connect this and that. Okay. And this and that. There. Now you can trim, or you can even delete these two lines, not needed anymore, because it's just a helping line to find these points. Okay. There. Is it clear?
It's clear.
What about the center of the radius, the circle,
Yeah.
the center of it? How did you obtain it?
At the center of a circle, I used offset before, because I know it's 40 from this wall, and it's 40 from here and 40 from there. So you just offset 40 and 40 from here.
Oh, okay.
It will intersect. Or you can use the helping line like we did before. Okay. So I'll just extend this. Like this one is, I'll just put it something like that. Oops. It's 5 milli here. Okay. Is everybody clear until here? So now it remains what? Making this circle. I'll use circle command. Circle command, and the location of the center. It will be, yeah, you need to find first the location of the center as usual. You can use the helping line, or you can use offset. Okay. If you want to use the helping line, you can use this, use helping line. So you go from here, it will be comma add -16, because it's -16. And what's the distance? -50, comma 15. Comma 15 there. Okay, so this is the center of your circle. It will be 7.5. The radius will be 7.5 there. Okay. Yeah, you can use offset if you want, as usual. Offset if you want 16. From here, you will offset from here to there, and you offset this will be 15. Yeah, because 30 minus 15, so it's 15. Or you can offset from here. Okay, same. Offset 15. Yeah. So the intersection there is the center. Okay, I will trim. There. Okay, what is there anything missing now? Can you you see something missing?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, what is it?
The circle, big.
The hidden circles.
Yes.
This one, yes. So two things actually: the tunnel, this tunnel, and this circle. Okay. So you can make a projection from here and go until the end, because as I've told you, if no information about the depth of a hole, it means it's all the way to the back. Okay. So just go from here, and if you want, you can use the extension. There. Yeah, that's how you can trim anything that you don't like, you don't need, I mean. You don't need that. And this one I will just delete. I'm not trimming because trimming will go one by one like that. So I just choose and delete, select and delete. These two lines will be the hidden line. Okay, will be the hidden. Then you have this circle. Again, you can use projection. I will use the center line as the reference. Okay, and then I will trim that line. Oh, okay, I will also trim this one. So this is the center. This is the center of, I will not extend it first, later. This is center of this circle. So if I know the center, I can find the edge. So the edge will be nusqutur to the right, nusqutur to the left. So I'll make offset 22,5 from here to there, from here to there. Okay. Is everything clear? Yeah. Yeah.
No, I think the share screen has stopped. Your mouse is not moving in my
Oh,
screen.
okay. Let me check the.
It stopped moving.
It stopped moving. Okay. Okay. Let me. Just a moment.
It shows that your connection is not good.
Not good. Okay. Let me save the work first. How about now? Is it moving?
No, doctor.
Not yet.
It's not.
Okay. I'll stop the sharing and I will restart my internet. Okay.
But be careful of the recording. We're afraid the record will.
Yeah.
No,
Okay. Yeah.
no, I think it's good.
I turn off the sharing already. Okay, let's share the screen again. Is it good now?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, doctor.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Where did you reach before? So I will repeat several steps back then. Okay. Okay, I'll just delete these things. So now we are going to make this a circle. So from the top, this big circle, will be hidden, right? Will be hidden. It will be somewhere there, hidden lines there. So I will use the projection technique to do that. So I'll just project the center line. Okay. There. And since I know the center line location, so I can make the other edge, the two edges. That means from the center, this will be radius to the right and then radius to the left. So I will use offset. Radius is 22.5, 22.5, I mean. Enter. From here, 22.5 to the left and 22.5 to the, to the right and then to the left. Okay, so you can change this as a hidden, mistake. So, okay, so this and that should be hidden, right? And this should be center. So as usual, center line will be 5 milli outside the cylindrical hole. Okay. Same thing here, you do the same.
There is one thing, teacher.
Yeah.
We didn't do the. Can you show us the?
Okay, just a moment. I'm finishing this first. There. Yeah.
We didn't do the hidden line down.
Which hidden line? This
This-
thing?
No, the left.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, from the top is not hidden anymore, right? You can see it clearly.
Yeah, but we didn't do the projection, so we see the visual thing.
Oh yeah. We are not done until that part. Yes, good. So yeah, for this, it looks in overall it looks done. But as I've told you, we skip this part because we need to make the top view first to finalize this. So if I if I project this here, I go down until there. So now you know the location of this edge. You see this straight line, this short straight line? At the beginning, you don't know where it is. You don't know where it is located. So now you know it's located here. From where you know that? From the projection of the top view. Okay. So now you need to trim. You need to trim this and that. Of course, this one, you don't need this. You see, now you have a visible line there, which is this vertical line. And actually, this edge will be visible. This location will be visible, right? So from this point to the left will be visible, meaning from this point to here will be visible. Okay, but now your line is one set like that. Okay, there are two ways. You can break this line into two separate lines, or you can reduce the size of this line. I will stretch it, go there, because the hidden line is only up to here. Then I will use another line there, because this will be 0.7 and this will be 0.3. Do you understand why I do this? Why I did this?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
clear.
Okay. So another technique is you can break this line. Let me see where is the break. Yeah, I think this one, this is the thing. Break at a point. Okay, so you click that and you choose the line. Okay, select the object. I want to break this line. You specify breakpoint. I want to break it here. Okay. Now you see they are separated. Clear? So now this line you can change the properties to continuous line. Is that clear?
Yes, Doctor, it is.
It's clear.
Okay, good. So let's finalize the. I'm going to do the what you call that, the hidden. Sorry, the line weight, the properties. I will do this here. I will change these to 0.7. Sorry, the line weight is 0.7. Of course, then you need to change the others, the hidden lines and center lines, because all of those will be 0.3. 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 there. See, you see the difference, right? Okay. The same thing here. I think we have not changed the properties here. This has to be, I can change it directly. The line weight should be 0.5, sorry, it should be 0.3, not 0.5. And this should be center. Okay, it should be center. If you see, here, these two lines, it doesn't show the center shape, center line shape. I've changed it already, actually. Can you see that? When I select these two lines, it's changing to center already. Right? Can everybody see that?
Yeah, yeah.
But with our eyes, we cannot see. Do you know what? Why is it like that? Why it is like that? Do you know?
I don't have the same problem.
Yeah. This is because the line is short. The line is short. Actually, if you extend the line, then it will appear. Okay. Oh, but of course you can extend the line because the rule is 5 milli outside the circle, right? So how to solve this? When you have a short line, so you need to change the line type scale. The line type scale. Okay. So you need to decrease the scale, make it smaller. How to do that? I will show you now. So it's already center 2. Make sure it's already the line type that you need. Okay, it's already that one. And then select the the lines that you want to change the scale. Then right click, properties. So you see here the line type scale is 1. So make it smaller. It's like it's something like trial and error actually. So let's say 0.5. Does it show? Yeah. So when you put 0.5, you will see the center shape. Okay. You can try 0.7. 0.7 is also possible. Okay. And what's next? Oh, here. Actually, here you have, this one is the center line. Right? Let's change this to center line. However, if you look at the object, actually, on the middle, you have a visible line, right? The 20 millimeter line. So how you deal with this? Anybody know? Anybody can help?
We put it as a 0.7 line.
Yes, exactly. But the problem, this is one single line like that. If I put 0.7, so the center line. Yeah, go ahead.
That's okay. We put it on top of it.
Okay, you can do that. You can put on the top of it, or you can break this if you want. You can break and like you start. This will be the center. This will be the what you call that, the visible line on the middle. Okay. So if you do like that, so that's also possible. Okay. I cannot select the one on the behind. I will just right click. I send this to the back, so I can select the short one. So the short one here is 0.7. There. Or another possibility is you break it. Okay, you break these two lines. So
Or trim before you do it.
okay, like this one. So I will break this using this, the one that I've showed you before. Break at the point. I will break this line, and I will break it here. Okay, and then I will repeat. Break this line. I will break it there. So now it's separate. I think if you want to break at 2 points, you can use this one. I think between 2 points. So you don't need to repeat like what I did. I repeat the break command 2 times. If you want to break at 2 points, you will use this. Okay, now you can change this as a continuous line and 0.7. Okay, and this one, I will give a gap like 1 milli gap, so it's not connected. Or let's see if it's 2 milli. Good. Yeah, I think 1 milli is better. There. Okay. And you have this as a visible line. This surface here is actually also, when you see from the top, it's visible line. So you make sure that it shows. I will send this back, so I can select, send to back, I can select this line. So this has to be 0.7 because it's visible. Okay, let's finalize this. Center 2. Okay. Now I will select these. Okay, I'll just repeat everything is 0.7. So everything is 0.7 except these lines, that line. All of these are hidden lines. These 2 lines are hidden lines, so those needs to be 0.3. There. Okay, you forgot this one. This has to be 0.7. There. So now your drawing is complete for the front and top view. Okay. So your task is make the left side view. So you complete this and make the left side view, and you can submit it